Hi guys, next we will see how to edit and delete the strings in Python. Let's say we have a string hello. This is our string. Now suppose we want to change the first character from H to X. We might think of doing this by writing C of 0 assigns the X. Pause the video and think if this will work or not. When you run it, you will get an error saying string object does not support item assignment. This means you can't change or edit strings with this way in Python. Understanding immutability. In Python, strings are immutable. This means once a string is created, it cannot be changed. Immutable is the opposite of mutable, which means capable of change. Strings in Python are immutable, so you cannot change them once they are created. Reassignment. You can reassign a string entirely. For example, C assigns hello, C assigns word, print C, the output is word. You can reassign the entire string, but you cannot edit the existing one. Deleting strings. You can use the del keyword to delete a string, like C assigns hello, del C. If you try to print C after this, it will give an error because C no longer exists. However, you can't delete a part of a string. For example, trying del C of 0 to delete the first character will not work because it would change the string, which is not allowed. Quick summary. You cannot edit strings, you cannot add new characters to strings, you can reassign strings, you can delete entire strings but not the part of them. Additional tips and tricks. Number 1. Creating new strings. If you want to edit a string, create a new one, like C assigns hello, C assigns X plus C of 1 colon. Print C, the output is Zello. String slicing. Use slicing to create a modified version of a string, like C assigns hello, new C assigns C colon 1 plus A in double quotes plus C of 2 colon. Print new C, the output is hello. Deleting by reassignment. To delete the part of a string, create a new string without the part you want to remove, like C assigns hello, new C assigns C into colon 1 plus C into colon 2. The print new C will return output colon HLLO. Remember, understanding that strings are immutable will help you handle them correctly in Python. Keep practicing these concepts and they will become second nature. Thank you.